Okay, answer for that one was 2. Number 2. Okay, answer for that one is 4. Number 3. Okay, answer for that one was 13. Number 4. Okay, answer for this one was -9. 5. Okay, answer for that one was 5. Alright, bring up your number for the lottery. Okay, number for the lottery is 9. Okay, homework check. Take it to Mr. Skinner. Okay, answers for 1 through 3 are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 2 and 3. Answers for 4 through 6 are 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and 4 and 5. Okay, answers are 5 and 6, 6 and 7, and 4 and 9, or 4 and 5. Okay, answers are 7 and 8, 8 and 9, and 7 and 8. Okay, answers are 9 and 10, 8 and 9, and 9 and 10. Okay, any questions on the homework? Alright, no papers are passed. If you need to make up a test, then come in 6th period. Alright, our objective for today is identify and justify whether properties hold for a given set in operations. Okay, and our learning target, we're going to do the basic properties of mathematics. So for example 1, we're going to look at, we have a list of our properties, that's what I just gave you guys. We have 3 times 6 is equal to 6 times 3. An easier way to do this is if we can change this into variables. So A times B is equal to B times A. Oops, A. Alright, and then we need to look for that on our list. It's letter B. It's the commutative property of multiplication. So 3 times 6 will give you 18, and 6 times 3 will give you 18.
What's the answer?
Yes, the answer is B. Okay, so for this example, we're going to change it to a variable again. We got 3 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 4. So that's A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. And this is the associative property of of addition, so that's going to be letter C on your paper. So this is just saying that whenever we group the numbers, it doesn't matter how you group them, it'll also give you the same answer if they're in the same order. Practice problem number 1. Okay, so for the practice problem, we have 4 times A times 2 is equal to 4 times 8 times 2. Okay, so we have A times B times C is equal to A times B times C. This is the associative property of multiplication. So that is letter D on your handout. Okay, and if we worked this out, it would be 4 times 16 is equal to 32 times 2. And on both sides, it should give you 64. This one. Just look at our properties. It's the identity property of addition, which is just A plus 0. Anytime you add 0 to a number, it's just going to give you the same number. That should be letter G. So 6 plus 0 will be 6 is equal to 6. Okay, good. The answer for that one was I, the reflexive property. So that should have just been A is equal to A. So any number is going to be equal to itself. Back to the practice problem. We have 7 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 7. That's like saying A plus B equals B plus A. So that'll be letter A on your sheet, which is the commutative property of addition. Okay, good. This one should be H. That is the identity property of multiplication. Anything times 1 is going to give you the same number. So 12 times 1 will be 12 is equal to 12. Okay, answer for this one was E. That is the transitive property. So basically, if you have a number F equal to a number G, and a number G is equal to a number H, then F and H are going to be equal. Okay, hot seat lottery. Everybody bring up your number. Number 1. Okay, answer for this one was 2. Number 2. Answer for this one was 0. Number 3. Okay, answer for this one was positive 12. Number 4. Okay, good. Okay, answer for this one was 1. Okay, answer for this one was 0. We'll have another set. Okay, next example. We have 5 times 6 plus 9 is equal to 5 times 6 plus 5 times 9. So that is A times B plus C is equal to A times B plus A times C. This should be the distributive property, which is letter F on your your sheet. Okay, next example. 7 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 7. Oops. There we go. Okay, so that is A plus B is equal to B plus A. And that is the commutative property of addition. That should be letter A on your sheet. Alright, next practice problem. Okay, for the practice problem, we have 9 times 3 times 2 is equal to 9 times 3 times 2. So that is A times B times C is equal to A times B times C. So that should be letter D. That should be letter D on your paper. That is the associative property of multiplication.
Oh my gosh, I did it again.
Okay, this should be letter I. That is the reflexive property. Okay, this should be letter G. That is the identity property of addition. Any number plus 0 is going to give you that same number. So 18 plus 0 will be 18. That'll be 18.